Before buying low-carb pasta, there's one thing you need to know that no product page will tell you. But the real buyers are definitely talking about it. The texture and taste can vary widely, and what looks great might not deliver in flavor. Product number 1, Kaizen Fusilli Protein Pasta. First up is the Kaizen Fusilli Protein Pasta. This caught my eye because it packs a whopping 20 grams of protein and only 6 grams of net carbs per serving. Priced at $28.99 for 3 packs, if you want a nutritious, satisfying pasta that aligns with a keto lifestyle, this is worth a serious look. The key here is the innovative use of lupin beans. They're not just trendy, they provide an excellent protein source while keeping carbs low. Plus, they have 80% fewer carbs and triple the protein compared to regular pasta. This means you can enjoy your favorite pasta dishes without the guilt. The texture is surprisingly close to traditional pasta, and it holds up well in sauces. With over 1,600 reviews and a solid 4.2-star rating, many users rave about how it fits into their diet while still tasting good. Now, some people complained about the foaming during cooking, which can be a bit off-putting. Here's the thing though, a little foaming is normal with lupin-based products and doesn't affect the taste or quality. So don't let that deter you. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a high-protein, low-carb alternative that doesn't sacrifice flavor. Skip this one if you want a traditional wheat-based pasta experience. Given the nutritional benefits, it's a solid investment. Now, if that foaming bothered you, this next option takes a completely different approach to low-carb noodles. Product number 2, Palmini Linguine Pasta. Next up is Palmini Linguine Pasta, which is all about simplicity. Made from hearts of palm, this 12-ounce pack costs just $3.98. If you want a straightforward, low-calorie pasta alternative that's really easy to prepare, this is worth a serious look. What makes Palmini stand out is its clean ingredient list. It's completely gluten-free and vegan, making it suitable for a variety of diets, including keto and paleo. Each serving has only 4 net carbs, which is a great way to enjoy your favorite pasta dishes without the heaviness of traditional options. It cooks up quickly and mimics the texture of regular noodles surprisingly well when paired with a good sauce. With over 20,300 reviews and a solid 4-star rating, many users are happy with the taste and the health benefits. Now, some reviewers mention that it might not have the same satisfying chew as traditional pasta. Here's my take, while it doesn't exactly replicate that classic pasta feel, it holds its own in flavor and makes a great healthy alternative. This is perfect for you if you need a low-carb, low-calorie option that is super easy to prepare. Skip this one if you're set on having a traditional pasta experience. For the price, it's a steal. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those seeking a quick and easy meal. Product number 3, Hethcha Konjac Noodles. Coming in at number 3 are Hethcha Konjac Noodles. These are unique because they're made from konjac and you can get a pack of 10 for $22.95. If you want a virtually carb-free noodle experience, this is worth a serious look. What's great about these noodles is that they're almost calorie-free, making them perfect for those on strict keto or low-calorie diets. Each serving has 0 sugar and almost no carbs, which means you can enjoy pasta without the guilt. They're also pre-cooked, so it takes just minutes to prepare, rinse, heat, and serve. With a 4.1-star rating from over 600 reviews, users appreciate how well they hold up in sauces without getting mushy, which is a common issue with some low-carb noodles. Now, some folks found the texture a little off compared to traditional pasta. I get it, if you're a die-hard pasta lover, this might not satisfy you completely. But for the calorie-conscious, they do offer a satisfying meal without the heaviness. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a super low-carb, quick meal option. Skip this one if you're not willing to compromise on texture. Given the number of servings, it offers great value. Next up, if you're craving a high-protein option, the next product is definitely worth checking out. Product number 4, Banza Spaghetti Pasta. At number 4, we have Banza Spaghetti Pasta. This chickpea-based pasta costs $3.32 for an 8-ounce pack. If you want a gluten-free pasta that provides more fiber and protein, this is worth a serious look. Banza is made from chickpeas, which means it has more protein and fiber than traditional wheat pasta. Each serving delivers 14 grams of protein and 30% fewer carbs, making it a great option for anyone wanting to increase their intake without compromising on taste. Users really appreciate the texture too. It's firm and holds sauces well. With 2,200 reviews and an impressive 4.5-star rating, it's clear that many find it to be a satisfying alternative. Here's the thing though, chickpeas have a nuttier taste. And if you're looking for a healthy twist on classic spaghetti, this could be a great fit for you. This is perfect for you if you want a pasta that packs a nutritional punch while still satisfying your cravings. Skip this one if you're a strict traditionalist who can't stand anything that deviates from classic pasta. It's a fantastic value for what you're getting. Now, if you're still looking for another protein-packed alternative, the last product on my list could be just what you need. Product number 5, Kaizen Ziti Protein Pasta. Lastly, we have the Kaizen Ziti Protein Pasta. Another great offering from Kaizen, this one is also priced at $28.99 for 3 packs. If you enjoy a classic ziti experience without the carbs, this is worth a serious look. Just like the fusilli, this ziti is made from lupin beans and offers 20 grams of protein and only 6 grams of net carbs per serving. This means you get to enjoy baked ziti or creamy pasta dishes without the guilt. The texture is designed to be similar to traditional pasta, and it cooks beautifully while absorbing sauce. With a 4.2-star rating from over 900 reviews, users love the ability to satisfy their pasta cravings while keeping their diet on track. However, some users mention that it can be a bit chewy if overcooked. Here's the thing though, if you follow the cooking instructions closely, you shouldn't have that issue, and the flavor is worth it. This is perfect for you if you want a high-protein, low-carb ziti option that doesn't compromise on flavor. Skip this one if you're looking for something that cooks like traditional pasta without any learning curve. Considering the protein content, it's a great value. In conclusion, we've seen a mix of low-carb options to please different tastes and dietary needs. Kaizen's offerings are solid for protein, while Pamini and Hethscha offer great alternatives for those wanting something lighter. Banza gives you tasty fiber and protein, making it a fantastic all-rounder. Product number 6, Best Pick. In conclusion, whether you're looking for high protein, low carb, or just a healthier twist on your favorite dishes, there's something in this list for everyone. It's all about finding the right fit for your lifestyle and taste preferences.